Most computer cases these days are just endless seas of black plastic and aggressive RGB lighting that look like they belong in a spaceship. But then you come across something like this. The FOIFKIN M1 actually tries to do something different by slapping a real walnut front panel onto a metal chassis. It is a strange mix, honestly, but it works. It feels less like a piece of tech and more like a piece of furniture that happens to house your gaming rig. That wood grain adds a warmth to a desk setup that you just don't get with standard tempered glass boxes. Now looks aren't everything, and this thing knows it. It comes with 4 pre-installed ARGB fans right out of the box, which is a nice touch because it saves you from having to hunt down extra cooling immediately. The airflow is surprisingly decent too. You can fit up to 8 fans in here if you really want to go overboard, and the snap-on side panel is a massive quality of life win. No more fumbling with tiny screws every time you want to swap a drive or clean out some dust. You just pop it off, do your thing, and snap it back. It feels sturdy enough, though you do have to be careful not to smudge the glass too much while you are handling it. Inside, there is plenty of room to work with. It handles standard ATX boards without feeling cramped, and you can fit a 240 or 280 mm radiator up top if you're running a liquid cooler. The GPU clearance is capped at 310 mm, so if you are rocking one of those massive, triple-fan flagship cards, you might want to double-check your measurements before committing. It is not the biggest case on the market, but for a mid-tower, it uses its footprint well. The I/O panel is pretty standard, but having that Type-C port right on the front is a must-have these days, so it is good to see they didn't skip that. If there is a downside, it is that the wood finish is definitely a statement piece. If your desk setup is all neon lights and futuristic aesthetics, this might look a little out of place. Also, while the build quality is solid, it is not quite as premium as some of the boutique wooden cases that cost 3 times as much. You are getting a great balance of style and function for the price, but don't expect high-end furniture-grade craftsmanship. Still, for someone who wants a PC that doesn't scream gamer the moment you walk into the room, this is a really refreshing option. It is a clever little case that manages to be practical without losing its personality. If you are tired of the same old look, this is definitely worth a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.